Creating estimates or quotes is really easy in Reckon 1, and in this video we'll give you a walkthrough. First, ensure that the estimates functionality is switched on in your book. Go to Settings, then click Money In. Next, expand the Estimates section. Set the toggle to Enabled and click Save. To create a new estimate, click on Day to Day in the navigation menu, then select Estimates. The Estimate List screen will open, which will show you any existing estimates, and you can cycle through various statuses such as All, Draft, Pending, Expired, Accepted, Declined, or Closed. To create a new estimate, click the Add button. First, select a customer. If your customer is not in the list, you can create them by clicking the Add Customer option in the drop-down menu. Next, enter the date of the estimate. Set whether the amounts displayed in the estimate are tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Now, enter any other relevant information such as expiry date for the estimate, reference details, or set a classification if required. Next, add the relevant items to include in the estimate by selecting it from the item field. When an item is selected, some of the fields will be pre-filled for you based on the information from the item setup details. You can alter any of these fields as required. Next, add a quantity for the item. You can add a markup by entering a percentage or dollar value in the markup field. Next, select the relevant tax code. Tax and total amounts will be automatically calculated for you. To add a new item, click the Add New Row button. If you'd like to remove any lines, click the X button on the right-hand side of any line. When you've finished adding your items, review the details to ensure everything is correct. You can now add further details such as a note to the customer, your terms and conditions, and payment instructions. If you have entered default information for terms and conditions and payment instructions in your estimate settings, these will be automatically pre-filled for you. When you're ready, head back to the top of the screen. The functions you see will depend on the permissions granted to your specific Reckon 1 user. To keep the estimate as a draft, click on Save or Save and Close. Click the Mark as Pending button to indicate that the estimate is now waiting for response from your customer. You can send your estimate by email by clicking the Send via Email option, or alternatively, print it by clicking Print. Your estimate is now complete and it will appear in the estimate list. When you receive a response from your customer, click on the estimate from the list to open it. You can then click Accept to mark it as an accepted estimate, or Decline if it has been rejected. When the estimate is fulfilled, you can convert the estimate directly into an invoice by clicking the Convert to Invoice button. Acknowledge the message and a new invoice screen will open, which will be pre-filled with the details and items from the estimate. The invoice will also show that it's linked to the estimate. Thanks so much for watching. For more help and support, please visit us at help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.